400 grams or 2 cups of dry chickpea. Soak it overnight, into plenty of water. 1 cup of cilantro, 1/4 cup parsley, 3 cloves of garlic and 1 green chili. Add drained and washed chickpea, and yeah, sure. Lazy people can use canned chickpea. Grind it coarse. Add salt, cumin powder, crushed pepper and 3 spoons of lime juice. Bring mixture out in bowl, add chickpea flour, or bread crumbs. This will help soak some water, mix it well. Cover it, and refrigerate it for an hour or 2. Divide the mixture using spoon, make equal size falafel. Align those falafel in an air fryer, and cook it for 20 minutes at 400° Fahrenheit, flipping it halfway. Enjoy your crispy falafel with a side of creamy hummus, fresh pita bread and a refreshing Mediterranean salad.